Alright, KD2 GIY. We're going to look at the PAC-12 antenna. So he's working some CW. He's doing some parks on the air. Alright, he's got his feed line here. Now he's got the PAC-12 JCP something antenna. Ground spike. It's got the ground spike going in. The antenna's fed to the line here. This is a ribbon wire that's spread out for counterpoise. One of them is going inside the lake. But this is a radiating element. And then you got the coil, which is, he's got the tap, I think, for whatever band he's doing right now. And then you have a whip that goes up. So it's a vertical antenna. You don't need any support. It supports itself. And it comes in a little bag, which is pretty cool. So that's the scenario there. KD2 GIY 73.